Hi, I'm Anders. I'm a culinary teacher, and if you're a culinary teacher or trainer, then I have a tool that I want to tell you about that I think will bring a lot of value to your culinary learning space. I have developed the first food aroma wheel that is not based on a central product, which means that it's useful in a huge variety of ways and spaces. I believe for any culinary student that this wheel stands as a great resource for how they begin to think about aroma, how they structure it in their minds, and how they use language to describe aroma. In my experience so far, it has been a great introduction tool for how students think about, talk about, and use aroma in their cooking. I'm also developing modules of curriculum that come with slideshows, notes for you, structured materials for students as they go through a series of exercises using the wheel. The first module that I recommend is called The Language of Taste and Smell, where students go through a series of exercises that introduce them to taste and smell, the language around taste and smell, doing some training exercises with their actual senses, and then taking a critical look at the wheel as a tool. And as you see, there is also this YouTube channel to support the curriculum and students' further exploration. Each of my videos contains several student-friendly resources and an analysis of the ingredients or how we're thinking and talking about them. I personally have over a decade of culinary industry experience and have been teaching culinary even longer, from students all the way from 7th grade to university. So I hope that all of my work and expertise will be valuable to you. Have a look in the description for some links, have a look around the channel, and please reach out to me if you would like to use any of these materials or if you want to work with me in supporting your culinary learning space. Thanks so much. Bye.